Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to give you an honest review and a quick unboxing of the Gorilla tripod. This handy tool is perfect for the content creator like us, and it comes with some super cool features. Let's start with the unboxing. Here you can have a Bluetooth remote shutter where you can able to click a pictures, photos and videos. Then there is a phone mounting bracket with two keyholes, and then there is a Gorilla tripod. This is the quality of the product is, I feel, really good. I tried the flexibility of stretching the legs and standing into different poses. The product seems to be high quality and very rugged and durable material, so you can place on the any type of surface and it is working fine. Only you just have to make the proper adjustment of your phone and tripod legs. This is how you can easily mount your phone, and any type of phone can be mounted. It comes up with this Bluetooth remote shutter where you just have to turn on. There is a button over there on right side of the Bluetooth, and you just have to turn on, then the blue light will blink and you just have to pair it with your mobile phone. So you will just turn on the Bluetooth of your phone and then match the name AB Shutter 3 something name comes, and then we can able to connect to the Bluetooth. And as you can see in the video, you will just pair it with the mobile phone, and then you can try the videos and photos using from the different location. The Bluetooth range is very near, but at least better type long distance pics you can take using the help of this Bluetooth. And I feel it is really good and useful for us. Then another component comes with a tripod is the phone mounting bracket, and it can be mounted in two ways. So once you will attach your phone to the tripod on this mounting bracket, you can place it horizontal using this keyhole, and also in a vertical form using the another keyhole. So you just have to place it properly into that keyhole, and then you can just adjust and tie it secured properly, and after that you can mount your phone and set for your shots. So you can have the horizontal and vertical shots for your any type of contents that you are using, right? So there is a one more bracket to that tripod. So there is a one clamp, and you can just press that clamp and slide so the bracket gets removed. So you can use the features also. Honestly, I just feel this is really good and very useful. These are some shots I have taken using the tripod, and I feel it's really nice. So let's talk about the cost. I have bought it from Amazon, so it's worth rupees 370. They have applied some 50 rupees delivery charges, and honestly the product is worth it. So it's a essential part of my regular life now. So stay connected, stay tuned for next tutorials and some tricks using this tripod. I'll try my best. Subscribe.